Hello, dear friends. I am so happy you are here today. I want to share an important idea with you. That idea is this: love gives life to our souls. Today, we will explore this beautiful truth. We will discover why love is essential to our souls. We will learn what happens when we have love, and we will learn what happens when we do not. Let us begin this beautiful journey together. 1. What is the soul? The soul is the deepest part of who you are. It is what makes you, you. It is your true self. The soul includes many things. It includes your deepest feelings. It includes your values and beliefs. It includes your ability to love and be loved. It includes your sense of meaning and purpose. It includes the part of you that dreams and hopes. It includes your connection to something greater than yourself. The soul is what makes humans different from machines. Your soul is the most important part of you. Taking care of your soul is more important than taking care of your body. Your soul is who you truly are. 2. What is love? Love is hard to explain in words, but everyone knows what love feels like. Love includes many things. It means showing kindness to others. It means caring deeply about someone. It means wanting the best for others. It means accepting others as they are. It means giving without expecting anything back. It means being willing to sacrifice for someone. It means feeling connected to people around you. Love is not just a feeling. Love is also an action. You show love through what you do every day. 3. How love gives life to the soul. Now we come to the heart of our topic. How does love give life to the soul? Let us look at this carefully. Love makes us feel alive. When we love, we feel truly alive. Our hearts beat stronger. Our eyes see more clearly. Colors look brighter. Music sounds more beautiful. Life feels more wonderful. Love wakes up all our senses. It wakes up our souls from sleep. With love, we are truly living. Love connects us to others. Love creates bridges between souls. When you love someone, your soul reaches out and touches their soul. You are no longer alone. You are part of something bigger. This connection feeds your soul. It helps your soul grow. Love gives us purpose. When we love, we have purpose. We have reasons to keep going. We want to be better for the people we love. We want to give something good to the world. What is the point of success if you have no one to share it with? What is the point of wealth if you have no one to care for? Love gives the soul direction. It turns an ordinary life into something meaningful and beautiful. Love heals the soul. Life can hurt our souls. Disappointment, loss, and pain can wound us deeply. These wounds make the soul sick. Love is the medicine that heals those wounds. When someone loves us, they help repair the damage inside us. It makes us feel whole again. Self-love is also healing. When we love ourselves, we treat ourselves with kindness. We forgive ourselves for our mistakes. We take care of ourselves. This helps our souls recover from hurt. Love makes us better people. Love changes the soul. When we love, we become more joyful and peaceful. We become more kind and gentle. We become more forgiving. We become more patient. We become braver and stronger. It helps us become the people we were always meant to be. 4. What happens without love? Now let us look at what happens to a soul without love. This is important to understand. The soul becomes empty. You may have many things in life: money, success, comfort. But if you have no love, you have nothing that truly matters. Your soul stays empty. This emptiness is painful. People try to fill it with other things. They buy more things. They chase more success. They look for more pleasure. But nothing fills this emptiness except love. The soul becomes hard. A soul without love builds walls around itself. It becomes hard and closed. It does not let anyone in. It does not reach out to others. A hard soul cannot feel joy. It cannot feel beauty. It cannot connect with others. 5. How to bring love into your soul. Now comes the most important part. How can you bring more love into your soul? Here are some simple ways. Open your heart. This means being willing to love and to be loved. Many people have closed hearts. They have been hurt before. They are afraid to love again. But a closed heart means a dying soul. Take a small risk. Open your heart a little at a time. Allow yourself to feel. Allow yourself to care. Allow yourself to connect with others. Yes, you might get hurt, but the risk is worth it. A soul without love is already hurting anyway. Love yourself first. You cannot give what you do not have. If you do not love yourself, you cannot truly love others. Self-love is not selfish. It is necessary. It means treating yourself with kindness. It means accepting yourself as you are. It means taking care of your needs. When you love yourself, your soul grows strong. Then you have love to share with others. Give love to others. Love grows when you give it away. The more love you give, the more love you have. It does not get smaller. It gets bigger. Start small. Smile at a stranger. Say kind words. Help someone who needs it. Every act of love feeds your soul. It keeps your soul alive and growing. Practice forgiveness. Let go of old hurts. Release the people who wronged you. Forgiveness is not for them. It is for you. It sets your soul free from a heavy burden. Forgiveness is an act of love. It heals your soul. Connect with something greater. Many people find that loving something bigger than themselves helps their souls grow. This could be God or a higher power. It could be nature and the universe. It could be all of humanity. It could be a cause or a mission you believe in. This type of love expands the soul. It connects your soul to something infinite and eternal. It gives your soul a sense of belonging. It gives your soul peace. 6. Conclusion. We have reached the end of our journey together. Love is not extra. It is not a luxury. It is the very life of your soul. Your soul is precious. Give it what it needs most. Feed your soul with love every day. When you do this, you will discover the most beautiful truth of all. You will see that love does not just give life to your soul. Love is your soul. Love is what you truly are at the deepest level. Thank you so much for listening today. May your life be filled with love. May your soul shine brightly. If this video helped you, please subscribe and never miss a lesson that could change your life.